Hi everyone, in this video we are talking about how to fix Dyson Airwrap flashing white light after cleaning. Why Dyson Airwrap flashing white light after cleaning? The white flashing light on the Dyson Airwrap is a warning that the filter need to be cleaned. This can happen even after you have cleaned the filter, as there may still be some buildup or debris remaining. Let's see fix 1. Cleaning the filter. Unplug your Airwrap styler, turn off the power and wait for it to cool completely before cleaning the filter. Use the included circular filter cleaning brush and twist it back and forth over the filter cage to remove any debris. Pinch the filter cage to remove it, then rinse it with warm water. If your filter cage is really dirty, soak it in warm water with a drop of dish soap or clarifying shampoo for 30 minutes to help break down any styling product residue. Use the filter cleaning brush with a rotating up and down action to clean the inner filter mesh until all debris has been removed. Gently pull the filter cage open and slide it back onto the cable. Slide the cage towards the handle until it snaps into place. Fix 2. Checking voltage compatibility. Avoid power strips. If the white flashing light persists even after cleaning the filter, there may be an issue with voltage compatibility. Try using the Airwrap directly in a wall outlet without any power strips or extension cords in between. Ensure proper voltage. Verify that the voltage of the power outlet you are using matches the voltage requirements specified for your Dyson Airwrap model. Using the Airwrap with an incompatible voltage can cause the white light to occur. Consider regional differences. If you are traveling with your Airwrap or using it in a different country, make sure the local voltage matches the Airwrap's requirements. You may need to use a voltage converter or adapter to ensure proper operation. Fix 3. Replacing the filter. Inspect the filter. If the white flashing light persists even after cleaning the filter and checking the voltage compatibility, the filter may need to be replaced. Order a replacement filter. Contact Dyson or visit their website to order a genuine replacement filter for your Airwrap model. Dyson recommends replacing the filter periodically to maintain optimal performance. Install the new filter. Once you receive the replacement filter, carefully follow the instruction to properly install it in your Dyson Airwrap. Ensure it is securely in place before assembling the device. Thanks for watching this video.